So does this block heat, or only looks like it does? Because at one look, you think, oh, that must be duct tape. And then someone else might say, no, that's HVAC tape. Well, actually, it's not any of those. What it is a fiberglass fabric with the aluminum plated outer layer. So what that makes it different from the duct tape is that the duct tape, if you were to put any heat on it, it would dry it out and it will come loose and leave a very sticky residue. And with this one, of course, it can hold on and be used under heat, but it's only rated for 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's where it's not an HVAC tape, because an HVAC tape needs to be rated more than that, over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, because it's going to get the devices that's going to use are going to be the ducts and all that are going to use more heat at a higher rate than the 200 degrees Fahrenheit. But for other things, it will work similar to HVAC. But again, you're going to need the codes, and you're going to need to be UL rated, all that stuff. But what I used this particularly was for repair for electronics, specifically my monitor. This is what I used it for. And it's EMI properties, and it doesn't leave the sticky residue. And the tape is very strong. It's waterproof, corrosion resistant, tear resistant. So it's not like duct tape. I could easily just tear the duct tape. No, the way it is during the fabric and it's weaving, just save yourself the time and just use some scissors to cut it. So I used it to cover some of the sensitive parts that need to be covered by the foil tape. So again, note that it's only rated for 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So it won't, while work for some things, if you're going to do some duct work or some hoses or just temporarily use something like that, this will not be a long-term thing. You definitely don't want it long-term on your monitor, because once you come back, it's just never going to come off when you try to do repairs, and you're just going to rip everything out that you're trying to protect and block the radio frequencies. But it will protect it, because a monitor will not usually get more that much hotter than 200 degrees Fahrenheit. If it is, definitely need to be careful. So yeah, so again, this is more kind of a middle ground for duct tape, but not quite HVAC tape. And this is mainly, I'm going to use it for electronics, to block the signals, and but still have a good hold to the device and keep its hold even when it gets hot. So this has been Father McFosfos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow.